Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like I haven't recorded for real in what seems like forever. You guys have seen me a little bit more, but life has just been crazy. So right now, I'm taking the time to film a couple videos, updating you guys and talking about my hair. So first things first, let's talk about my hair. I decided to do goddess faux locks, I believe is what they're considered if you search the name. So they're just these long locks, and then they have the little curls at the bottom, and they're super cute. I installed them yesterday. I did not film the video because it was a hot mess trying to get these in by myself. One, my husband was out of town, so I was home all weekend with Amir by myself. And if you don't know, Amir is a 3-year-old boy who's super hyper, and we have no family here in Texas, so trying to do this by myself, on and off with him, I believe it took, I started around 12 p.m. Sunday and I finished around 9:30, and I took 2 1-hour breaks. So it took me about 7 hours total because I had to keep stopping to do stuff for him. So details on this hair. So I ended up using the Model Glance Braid Straight Goddess Lock, the color 1B, because it matches my natural hair, I feel like, better. And it is in the 20-inch, and it costs $6.99 a pack. It looks like this, 20 inches. So I originally ordered hair off Amazon, and this is the hair that I ordered on Amazon. It's really pretty. Sorry for the noise. It looks the same as these, essentially. I'm not taking out the pack because I'm about to go return it at the UPS store right after recording this. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and record it. So there's nothing wrong with that hair at all, but my dumb self not realizing how long my hair is now, because I haven't straightened it since October of 2017. This is, I think, 14 or 16 inches, and on the model online it looked long enough, but my natural hair was coming out the very bottoms of those. So those have the curl at the bottom too, but my hair was past the curl on those, so I could not use those. So when I started on Saturday, I had to stop and take some out. I think I have like one left of that pack in there somewhere. So I had to stop, take those out, the few that I did in the front, where I guess my hair wasn't as long, but it was still long in those. So I took them out, and then I went to the beauty supply store, which is not close to me, and I bought new ones. So these are the 20-inch ones, and my hair, when I'm wrapping it, comes down to like the very tips of these. So in the future I might have to get like 22 or 24 inches so my hair isn't coming out of the bottoms. Okay, specifics on how I did it. I did the crochet latch hook, whatever you want to call it, method, where I parted my hair off in sections, and these locks have the little crochet hook at the top, and there's so many videos online you can look at. I didn't record it because of the interruptions from my son, and I was trying to teach myself also because this was the first time I'd ever done them. So the pack from Amazon came with this little latch hook tool, and I like this one more, even though people on Amazon were saying this one sucks and it's flimsy. I preferred it because it was smaller and I didn't feel like I was ripping my hair out. I did order some bigger ones on Amazon, but the size of these was kind of scary. Let me take one out. So I did not use them because I was scared I was going to rip my hair out. So this is how that hook looks. The one that I ordered separately on Amazon. Hopefully you can see that. And then this is the one that came in that hair pack. And you can definitely see a difference in how big and thick they are. This one is way thinner, the pink one. So I did not feel comfortable using the wooden one on my hair because I felt like I was gonna probably rip some hair out trying to get it under the part and hooking the crochet lock through it. So I did not use these. I'm gonna return these two because I didn't use these at all. I'm of course not returning this. This is the actual hair that I used. I'm only returning the hair that I did not use from the first pack that I ordered on Amazon. What else about this hair? I really like it. It's not too shiny. I got compliments today. I got one person that thought it was my like real locks or my scalp that I grew out. So I guess I did a good job. You can see for yourself. The parts aren't perfect in the back, but it's the best I could do. But it's the best I could do by myself. Let me turn around all the way so you can kind of see. So hopefully you can kind of see how they look. And they come down pretty long. And you can see in that, let me turn it around, hopefully, that they come down pretty long on my back. They come right at my underwear, I think, in the back. Like hip length, I guess it would be considered, I don't know. So they're pretty long. I like them. I hope they're low maintenance. This is only technically day one because I finished them last night. They're very lightweight. They don't feel heavy at all. Like I said, my hair is at the bottom of these, so in some parts my hair, I think, is trying to escape that I found. Yes, I think this one. Yes. So if you would like to see how I did these, just let me know because I'm going to have to fix this later. I'm just not about to do it right now. My hair is trying to escape from the lock. It shrunk up. So this is the bottom of the lock right here. And then this is my hair right here. So it kind of, as you can see, popped out and shrunk up a bit because I didn't fully blow dry my hair when I did these. I just kind of lightly blow dried it. Luckily my hair curls at the bottom, so it's kind of blended in with these. So we're just not going to talk about it. You can't see it. You didn't know it. It's just in there. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did them, just let me know and then I'll show you on the ones that I fix in a week or so when I have to wash it. Hopefully I can wear this for a month. If you watch my other protective style videos, you know my scalp gets really irritated and sometimes I get bored, but I really want to leave these in because it's over 100 degrees in Texas lately and I do not want to be touching my hair for as long as possible because I have a lot of things going on the next couple months. So if you would like to know what those things are, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can find out. Because I can't let you know in this video, of course. It's going to be the next video. So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And let me know down below in the comments if you would like a mini tutorial on how I did these. Like I said, it took 7.5 hours, I think. So yeah, if you would like to see that, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know any other questions you might have. Like always, of course, I've missed you guys. Working full time and doing these other things I plan on telling you about has taken up all my time. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos of what I have planned, of course. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.